When I moved in, you forgot to mention I'd be living with Big Brother.
Lana, those are just security cameras to ensure the safety of everyone in this property.
I see. Was I breaching security when I was alone in my bedroom?
Lana. Okay, you clearly have the wrong idea. Those cameras are only viewed if there's an emergency. I would never invade your privacy like that.
But you already have. Lex, the cameras go where I do.
The camera in your room will be down within the hour. But the rest of them stay. You're free to make other arrangements, Lana, but this is the way I live. And it's not gonna change.